Wanna know how to use sealed classes in Java 17? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. In Java 17, sealed classes give you control over which classes can extend and implement your class. So why do you use them? To restrict inheritance. Perfect for APIs, security, or domain modeling. So I have an example right here. So sealed means only circle and square can extend shape. So you can see sealed right here on the first line of the code, and no other class can unless you add it to the permits list and access it. Now subclasses must be final, sealed or non-sealed. So use final to stop inheritance, sealed to continue restricting, and non-sealed to open it up again. And that's it. Sealed classes equals cleaner design, tighter control. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.